expectations for the shoot?
Beautiful location, nature, aesthetics. Don't know. We'll see. Alright guys, welcome to the first episode of what I hope to be a long series here on YouTube, where I'm going to start documenting my journey running this media agency here in Portugal. For you guys that don't know, my name is Matt. I'm currently based in Lisbon. I dropped out of college around 2 years ago, and now I'm doing this full time. And just to give you guys a little context of what we're doing today, we are going to go shoot a hotel in Ericeira. Ericeira is the surfing capital of Europe. It's actually a surf reserve, a natural reserve. And this is a luxury hotel. So a little background on my media agency. What we do is we serve luxury brands in the hospitality and just in the lifestyle space overall. When I started doing this here in Portugal, I hit a wall, which was a price wall. So basically, I worked with a lot of brands and restaurants and kind of local businesses that didn't have the budget for my services. And this is kind of common here in Portugal, just because the economy is not as strong as something like the US. So the solution that I found for that was to primarily work with luxury brands in the luxury space, right? And currently we have around 3 clients that we mainly work with every month. The shoot to date is actually a collaboration. So we're gonna be shooting for this luxury hotel. We're gonna be doing like a small hero video and then another short form video and deliver it to them. It's more of a portfolio shoot for us and a good opportunity because of the name of the place. We're gonna shoot Aetos, Ericeira. They have a lot of boutique hotels spread around Europe, so it's a great name to put in our website and in our testimonials. Right now we're gonna go pick up my friend Pedro, that's gonna be joining us today. He doesn't work with me in my agency, but he does work in the content space, and he's just gonna be helping us out today. We're gonna be getting some shots for his personal brand as well. What I wanna do with this YouTube channel is, of course, first of all, document my journey. So I can also look back at it in the future, but also to primarily help you guys that are getting started, the filmmakers, the photographers that are still freelancers and haven't shifted to the agency model quite yet. I want to show you guys kind of behind the scenes of what I do here. I'm a perfectionist, so I kind of dwindled on starting this for a long time, but I just decided that I'm just gonna do it. Starting when you don't know how, I think that's the best thing you can do, and just learn along the way. I want to turn these videos into a visual experience, but also an educational experience, where whenever we're doing something like this, we show you guys behind the scenes and how these things come about and how we make it happen. Currently shooting on the iPhone 16 Pro, by the way, with the front facing camera. We're also going to be shooting with the main camera, which I'm going to show you guys later, all the gear that we're going to be using. Yeah, let's get going. Alright guys, we just made it to the hotel. This is our gear lineup for the day. Paz, you wanna say what you're gonna be using?
Alright, so today we're gonna go for film photography. We got some Portra, we got some Kodak 200, some beautiful colors. We got 2 drones, we got the DJI Mini 4 and the Air 2S.
Air 2S, yeah.
Then we've got the old trusty A7 III with the 85mm that I'm mainly using for photography. And then we've got the Beast Matt's FX3 with a versatile 24-70, and then my favorite camera, the Canon
OG,
the OG from 1974 or 6, if I'm not mistaken,
A1
with a 50mm lens for film.
We're gonna get started. Beautiful place, beautiful hotel, and yeah, let's show you guys around. guys, by this point, we were honestly just fully focused on getting the shots that we needed, and we completely forgot to record more sequences for this episodes. Pads was helping a lot to shoot behind the scenes, so I'm gonna voice over these shots that you're seeing right now. But overall, it was a very fast-paced shoot. We were racing against the sun, and I think the result turned out amazing, considering the fact that we didn't really do any planning beforehand. We kind of just showed up and delivered the best that we could with the small amount of time that we had. So I'm gonna leave you guys now with the final results of the shoot, and then I'm gonna go a little bit more into depth into how this collaboration came along and how we made it happen. Considering the time constraint that we had, and also the fact that this was a complimentary shoot, I am very happy with the results. We're also delivering some short vertical clips for them to use on their socials, and film photos that Pedro took throughout the day. I wanted to end this off with some advice for new filmmakers and photographers that are getting started in this industry. And honestly, the best tip that I can give you guys is to do more free work, get your foot in the door, and from there it's just gonna be up and up. You might struggle with income a little bit in the beginning until you have that portfolio built out. That's not the most important thing. Of course, you need to have some sort of sales and marketing skill. You also need to start building your personal brand. That's one of the highest leverage things you can do nowadays to also work with more people and get more clients. This was my first YouTube video of this style, kind of a more behind the scenes look at the process of shooting stuff and working with clients. But I plan to do way more in the future, even with our paid clients, which is a lot different. There's a lot more that goes into that, with the planning, the preparation, the strategy, ideation. All of that is a big part of it. In the case of this shoot, it was very last minute, and as I said, more of a collaboration for a portfolio. But I also plan on doing more in-depth videos in the future, explaining the processes and the systems that go behind working with these companies and just in the media world overall. But on that note, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope to be doing more of these in the future, and if you guys have any questions whatsoever, you can either comment below or reach out to me on Instagram. I'm always open to connecting with other creators and sharing ideas. So yeah guys, have a good one.